All right, let's look at number 1. You guys have done all this stuff before.
We did this in like 6th grade.
All right, number 1, we got to make a box and whisker plot. So, if I remember right, I think we got to write the numbers in order from least to biggest, right?
Yeah.
Let's do that. What goes first? Y'all can just write them up above the numbers, or y'all can write them out on the side. We got 8. I see a 12. 2 12s. What else? How many 14s? Just 1. What's next? 16. I see an 18. I see a 20. 24. 26. 30. 44 after 34. Hang on, 30, 34, 44. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. All right, y'all remember now what we do. Find the Q1, Q2, and Q3. We've got to find our... You guys did this last year?
I don't remember that.
Q1, Q2, and Q3. Yeah, it's been a while since y'all done this. I know this, we half them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the first half. All right. Y'all got to find the middle number on the first half, and that's your Q1. All right, what number's in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What number would go right there if you add these up and divide by 2?
13.
So 13 is our Q1.
I thought you had to divide or something.
That's what I did. I added them up and divide by 2.
You could just look at it.
All right, now, to find the Q3, you take the middle of the last 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be in between 26 and 30. It's going to be 28. You add them up and divide by 2. That's the Q3. Does anybody remember what's the Q2?
The first two numbers divided. No, add together and divide.
That's something else we're going to do. To find the Q2, guys, it's the middle. The absolute middle. I got 6 numbers here and 6 numbers there. So right in the middle would be 19. Add them up and divide by 2. All right, so those are our 3 Qs. Now we got to make a box and whisker plot. True? Is that what it says?
Yep. No, the range of the data.
Make a box and whisker plot for the following data. So let's do that. All right, everybody draw a number line. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to start 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I counted by 5. I guess you could count by whatever you wanted to, just matter of how long you want your line to be. All right, now how do we make our box and whisker plot? 13 is our Q1, so 13 will go right here, put a dot. 19 is our Q2, that's right here, put a dot. 28 is our Q3, that's about right here. Just get it close, and guys, that makes your box. All right, does anybody remember, how do we find the whisker on the left side?
You go to 8.
The lowest number is 8. Right here, that's your whisker on the left. How do we find the whisker on the right? Highest number, it's 44. Guys, I don't even have enough room for 44. It's like way down here. I ran out of room, so I'm just going to make do, but it's way down there. All right, so that is our box and whisker plot. Now we're going to answer the 4 questions they're asking. Anybody got a question about making that box and whisker? We're going to do one of these every day. Now we'll have the test over this when we get back from Thanksgiving. All right, first question or second question. What is the range of the data? All right, Boyette was real close on this a minute ago. How do we find the range of something? Anybody remember? It's the largest number minus the smallest number. So what's 44 minus 8? Somebody type it in. 36. So your answer is 36 for number 2. That's how you find the range. All right, look at question 3. What is the interquartile range? Anybody want to guess how we find that?
The biggest and smallest number on the box.
Very good. The biggest and smallest number on the box, which has the dots. The biggest number was, what was this number right here?
28.
28, and this number is 8? No, it was 13. Oh, yeah. 28 minus 13. What do y'all get?
15.
That's your answer for number 3. The interquartile range is 15. Good. All right, what is the median of all the data? That means which number is absolutely in the middle? 19. That was the middle number. Like 6 on each side. What would be exactly in the middle? It's 19. That's your median. All right, number 5, what is the lowest extreme? That means what's the lowest number?
8.
Yeah, 8. Now, it's not asking you this, but what if it asks you what's the highest extreme? Yeah. All right, everybody got box and whisker plot now. We'll do one every day.
What was
Number 5, what's the lowest extreme, MJ? It's just the lowest number. It was 8. All right. Number 6, we got to find the mean, median, mode, and range. Y'all did this in what? 6th grade, maybe?
Yeah, I remember listening to that.
What?
You've never heard of vocabulary?
Vocabulary?
It's like
They make like rap songs to go with like math and English.
That's terrible.
No.
No, it's
Good
not.
stuff?
It's actually good.
it gets stuck in your head and you just
Vocabulary.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, what's the first thing we got to do on number 6 before we find any answers?
put them in order.
Write them in order. Good. Everybody write them in order. Lowest to highest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 8 numbers.
There's 2. Duh.
And I think I got them written in order. All right. So who remembers how do we find the mean? What is the mean? The mean is the average. How do y'all find y'all's average of your grades in class? Add them up, divide. So y'all need to add those up and divide by 8. Give me an answer. You got 57 when you type all that in? Hey, there's one with 57. I'll do it.
I got 49.
55.5.
All right, so 55.5. Anybody else? Guys, what the heck? Y'all got 6 different answers. All right, guys, remember, you got to add up all these numbers and divide by 8. All right, well, somebody did because y'all got different answers. 4.
It's 13.875.
I got 13.
I got 15.5.
Divided by 8 is, I got 13.5.
Oh, yeah, did you?
I added up all those numbers. I got 108 and I divided by 8.
It is 13.
Yeah. Next one, median. Now we just talked about this. Hey, if you guys are driving down the road, where's the median? It's in the green. You mean the grass?
I said the green grass.
Oh, I thought you said the green stuff. Okay. Yeah, it's the grass. The grass in between the highways, that's the median. So the median is the middle number. So which number's in the middle?
6.5.
How'd you find that, MJ? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there's the middle.
I added it and divided
She added them up, divide by 2. That's good. 10.5. All right, Boyette, do you remember what the mode is? No? Does anybody remember the mode? Julia? Everybody forgot the mode from 7th grade?
Yeah.
Malachi, you remember? The mode is whichever number is written down the most number of times. Just remember, mode means most. Okay?
There's 2.
8's written down twice, and 25 is written down twice. So y'all gonna say 8 and 25 because they're both written down twice. Mode is the most. All right, and we just did range. What's range again?
21.
Biggest number minus the smallest number. So it's going to be 21. All right, so I gave y'all a reminder how to do these 4. So y'all do them for number 7. Let's see what you get, and we'll do something else. Lots of different type stuff on here that y'all should probably already know. All this stuff's on the next test. All right, so everybody should be working on number 7. First step, write them in order. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 7 numbers. All right, Zoe, you got the mean? All right, find the average, Zoe, and let me know what you get.
I got 11.
All right, everybody, check your work. Make sure y'all got the same thing me and Zoe got for the average.
Yes.
11.14. If you got anything different, I'll come look at it. I added them all up. I got 78, and then I divided by 7. All right, MJ, what'd you get for the median number?
8.
Number in the middle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. MJ's right. There's one number in the middle all by itself. So our median is 8. All right, mode means what? The most. Which one's written down the most times?
3.
3. That's the only one that's written down twice. And what does range mean again?
Largest number subtracted by.
So 30 minus 3 is 27. All right, y'all got some of those on your next test. That's all easy stuff. That's middle school stuff. All right, I'm curious to see if y'all did number 8 last year in middle school. Mean absolute deviation.
Yeah, we did.
Did that. Y'all did that in Galt's class. All right, first step, we still got to write them in order from biggest to smallest. So I got 20. I think we do. I'm going to do it anyway. 20, 25, 35, 45, 50, and 75. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, maybe on this one we didn't have to write them in order. I guess I'm just used to doing that. All right, first step, y'all got to find the mean. So y'all add them up, divide by 6, see what you get. Say it again, MJ. I got the same thing. I got 41.6. So if y'all don't get 41.6, let me know.